Weather Service in Ruskin has issued an extreme wind warning for Highlands County in south central Florida, Hardee County in central Florida, Northeastern Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, Southeastern Polk County in central Florida, DeSoto County in south central Florida. Until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, at 7:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eyewall of Hurricane Ian was 11 miles southeast of Arcadia, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Precautionary preparedness actions: take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life.